Opportunities don't happen, you create them.
Hi! So today we count down 23 days to PSLE. Let's read today's question. Colin places 15 potted plants around a triangular garden. Every corner of the garden is placed with a potted plant. There is an equal number of potted plants on each side of the garden. How many potted plants are on each side? Okay, so this is the triangular garden. There are a total of 15 potted plants. Now, important thing is this, there's one plant on each corner. So let's place one plant on each corner. So equal number of plants all lined up. Alright. Let's look at the corner plants. This one. This plant appears on this side. The same plant also appears on the other side. So there's a danger of double counting that potted plant there. Okay, so it's a little confusing with the corners. So what happens is I would recommend taking away all the corners first. So one on each corner, right? I'm going to remove these 3. So first thing I'm going to do is to take out 3 from the 15 potted plants. So I'm left with 12 plants. Okay, and the 12 plants will be distributed along these 3 sides equally, right? So 12 divided by 3, each side over there would have 4 potted plants. So then the question is asking us for the number of potted plants on each side, which includes the corner plants. So we just need to add back the 2 at the far corners. So that's 4 plus 2, which is 6. We will have 6 plants on each side. Okay, so that's all for this question. See you tomorrow.